Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physical chemistry for JEE Easy method. Start by mastering core concepts, balancing equations, and visualizing molecular interactions. Break study sessions into short, focused blocks, alternate reading with problem solving, and track weak topics. Use targeted textbooks and previous JEE problems to guide practice. Keep a concise formula sheet and review it before tests to boost retention and speed. Build a strong conceptual map by grouping topics into fundamentals, applications, and problem types. Spend extra time on thermodynamics and kinetics since they often carry predictable question patterns. Whenever possible, derive equations yourself to deepen understanding and memory. Complement theory with classic JEE problems to connect concepts with exam style. Regularly revisit foundational ideas to prevent forgetting. Create a consistent practice routine that mixes short daily sets with longer weekly mocks. Time yourself on problem sets and review mistakes in detail, noting patterns to fix with targeted drills. Rotate topics to avoid tunnel vision and ensure balanced coverage across physical chemistry areas. Use past JEE questions to calibrate difficulty and pace, and steadily increase problem complexity as accuracy improves for reliable exam performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.